Thank you. Entrance. I haven't actually explored yet, so this is fresh. We're gonna go this way. So walk in that way to Dolphin Island. I want to go towards the Adventure River. So Lazy River over here. Rules. More entrances to the Lazy River. Keep walking. Solid collection of tubes. Quite a lot. Keep going around. It's very lush and green. Like the plant life and everything like that. Small pathways though. So gotta take the stairs. Oops. Because then they have like Dolphin Island, which is more of a family attraction, which isn't open right now. And then the park exits that way. So main entrance is this way. Riptide Lounge, Rainbow Reef, slides and stuff. The Lazy River looks like it's got some insane theming. That looks so cool. Like, look at that. That's awesome. Okay. We're gonna walk through the theme tunnel. Wow. This is high budget. There's a mini chill pond there with an aquarium. Lazy River and slides are down there. We're gonna try to find a good table to post up at. Morning. Slides in Blue Water Bay, that's where we're going. Big slides. Morning. That was fun. So this chunk of the park is more of the main ride area. There's the kids play structure there. Lazy River goes all the way around. Pipeline Plunge is over here. That's supposed to be one of the bigger slides. We have made it to the wave pool, which looks very nice. I'm like the only one in the water park right now, so it's a little bit weird. And it's not like I have a private tour, I'm just the first one in. But prime choice of loungers here, so I'm taking one of those. All right, starting from the wave pool. Let's keep doing pathways first, and then we'll do attractions. Riptide Rocket and Pipeline Plunge. Yeah. Dueling Racer. What is this? Oh, cabanas in like a kid's cove. Cute. For the little kiddos to have their splashes. All right. Continuing onwards. Also, yes, I definitely went and rode all the slides and then continued filming. You have the Bay Restaurant, which pretty much cafeteria food style. Main path. Oh, is it a beach? I see. What is this? Rainbow Reef, but like, what actually is it? I mean, there's a lot of fish. I'll give it that. I think you gotta go in and swim with all these fish. Which, I don't know. I don't know how I feel about that. I don't know if I'm into that or if I'm not. Another Lazy River entrance. Ooh, what is Splashworks? Is this open right now? Oh, okay. Will it open later or not today? Okay, no worries. Thank you. It looks like a jumping platform. Like that's actually kind of cool. And then like a rope swing, crossing bridge, and another jumping platform. And then a rope kind of thing over there. Let me see if I can get a better view. But like there. So you have jumping platforms kind of here. Rope bridge. More of like a deep water like play pool. And then the gondola. Alright, let's keep walking. Lazy River again. Alright, let's go this way. Lazy River looks so cool. I'm actually looking to ride that. And then the kids like splash fort part. Cool. The lifeguards here love to show off in videos. It's super fun. Big kids splash play park. So I really hope the audio turns out okay. Guess we'll find out. And then we basically circled the park. I think these stairs go up to the wet maze, which is like a water attraction that you can walk through. I don't know if it's extra, I also don't know if it's open, but it's cool, I guess. I'm not a big fan of things that aren't slides. Then starting from the wave pool going the other way, we have Whirlpool Washout and Spiral Washout, which are two tube slides. One is a toilet bowl, which is over there. Then the other is a funnel vortex. But you enter them this way from the wave pool, so to the left of the wave pool. You see the big funnel there, though it's not that great. And we go this way, you get your tubes over here, stairs are back there, so you come in, grab your tube, head back that way. And then, yeah. I'm not gonna go on the slide, so. And then here, two of the tubes, and then it's sad they should just let you float into Lazy River, but they have it roped off, which is unfortunate. Anyways, heading back this way, I will save you the trouble, and I'll just Riptide Rocket is the name. And then that goes to the other two tube slides in the park. So I think I can also go this way. Oh, perfect. So there's some cabanas by the wave pool. These are rentable. I don't know how much they cost, but I am curious what they look like inside. So like a seat, lounge, safe, and then I think there's a shower back there, which is kind of cool. The private shower is a good idea. I'm gonna walk in the wave pool. It hurts less. It's a good sized wave pool. I'm sure it'll get busier later in the day. I also got here right when it opened, so the park itself isn't too bad yet. I'd say that like Riptide Rocket, Tidal Twister, or maybe it's Pipeline Plunge. No, it's Riptide Rocket. Yeah, Riptide Rocket is by far the most popular attraction in the park and seems to be consistently the busiest. Though right now it's not bad because it's early. Then going up this way, we have the base of this slide. You take a little conveyor belt up. It's a core workout to get to the top. Then we have the two tube slide attractions here. Both are just plain slides. One has a couple of funnels on it. The other is a little bit faster and shorter. Riptide. Everything is so lush. Like, the greenery in the park is beautiful. This slide is by far the best. It's a Pro Slide hydromagnetic water coaster. Oh, I almost forgot about the mat racer, which is here. Looking upwards. The drops on this are way, actually the drops are slow, but the hydromagnetic push, like the thing that pushes you up the hill. So like, you can kind of see like that bit, hold on. That bit, so the part that is magnetic has a lot of force to it. Way more than I thought it was gonna. Like it really gets you going. Finally walking up the path. In like this really green zone. There's the funnel for the one tube slide. You can see it kind of starts there, funnel, goes around a spiral. There's another funnel over there. And then the ride is done. And then the other tube slide is there. Faster, shorter, basically finishes that turn and then is done. I think that's everything with the walking tour. Well, I do a bit of a lazy river review here. Let's talk rides. So, Dueling Racer, that's the mat slide. It's just, you know, a typical pro slide mat slide. So fun. I'm sure the line would get longer, but usually those have pretty good output. So nothing too crazy about that one. It's one of the faster rides in the park. I like it. Look, it's like a big old dump bucket. Weird. Very strange way to do waves. The next two rides up are the washouts. So there's Spiral Washout and I don't know, I forget the name of the other one. I'll put it on the video. Those are the two funnest tube slides in the park. One is a toilet bowl and the other is a bigger funnel slide. I mean, the bigger funnel slide, since I'm solo, really wasn't anything special. Oh, the wave just rolled through. But in general, it's fun. And then the toilet bowl is always fun. I mean, it's a toilet bowl slide. I'm about to get soaked. Great for my shot. Yeah, those two are kind of more tucked away in the corner of the park, so they probably get a little bit longer lines, or maybe people will forget about them. I'm not sure yet. Next, let's talk Tidal Twister and Pipeline Plunge. These are the two tube slides in the park. They're solo tubes or double tubes. Grab your tube at the bottom, walk up, go to the top. One is a funnel slide, so it's got these little funnels. They're not too aggressive or too big. It could probably use a little less water. And then the other is a faster tube slide. Both are decently fun. Probably not like the most exciting tube slides in the park. The most family oriented for sure, but like they're still good rides. One thing about this park is everything has really decent theming, which makes a lot of the rides seem a little bit better. Let's talk about the non-calm ride here. So Riptide Rocket is the hydromagnetic water coaster of the park, also the signature attraction. It's long, it's fast, it's a ton of fun. The drops aren't as bad as I thought they were going to be. They're not super aggressive, but the boosts, like the LSM launches up the hills on the other side, are way more powerful than I thought. It's a super fun ride. I'm sure the line is going to be super massive, but if you get early, or if you get here early, then it's not too busy yet. And now the review we've all been waiting for, the Lazy River review. Honestly, might be the best attraction in the park. It's so long. Tons of theming variety. There's like a cave section, there's this open section, there's a wave maker. Like you could just spend hours floating around this thing. So really well done on the Lazy River. No, I don't want to get soaked. No, stop. While I'm in the dark cave light, let's talk like tips and tricks and a few thoughts. The park doesn't have a lot of rides, so you definitely don't need a whole day here. There are lockers for rent, but they're usually pretty expensive. I grabbed a seat by the wave pool, and that's been pretty good for me. You can't take cameras on any of the rides, like full stop, but you can film everywhere else in the park. I don't believe you can bring in food, but they also didn't check my bag, so you know, you could probably get away with something if you were sneaky about it. Don't tell anyone.